Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be practicing Chandra Namaskar. So just like Surya Namaskar has an energizing and rejuvenating effect on the body, Chandra Namaskar, its cousin, has a calming and soothing effect. It can be practiced any time of the day, but since it's such a grounding practice, it's perfect at the end of a long working day. So let's begin our practice.
Come into a standing pose with your hands on either sides and feet together. Ground your feet into the mat so that your weight is distributed equally on all four corners of your feet. Bring your hands to the heart center in prayer pose. As you inhale, raise your hands over your head. Elongate your spine and ensure your head, spine and tailbone are all in one straight line. As you exhale, bend to the left, keeping your gaze up towards the sky. Slowly come back. Again, inhale up and elongate your spine, and as you exhale, bend to the right. Slowly come back. Bring your hands down. Now take a big step with your left leg to come into a wide-legged stance so that your feet are pointing out diagonally. Bring your arms on either sides so that they are parallel to the floor. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, squat down to come into goddess pose. Elongate your tailbone towards the ground and keep your spine straight. Take a breath in and out here. Slowly come up. Now adjust your feet so that your right foot is pointing forward and left foot is pointing towards the left side. As you inhale, extend your torso towards the left side. As you exhale, bend to the left to come into triangle pose or trikonasana. Keep your gaze up towards the sky, looking at the middle finger of your right hand. Bring your right hand down and adjust your right foot so that it points to the left. Take a deep breath in and elongate your spine. As you exhale, bend forward towards your left leg. Slowly come up. Now bend your left leg and bring the right knee to the ground to come into a low lunge. Make sure your left knee is stacked over your left ankle. As you inhale, bring both arms up and bend back. As you exhale, come back. Now adjust your feet to come into a half squat on the left side. Your right leg will be straight with toes pointing up. Try to get the left heel to come to the ground. If it's not possible, it's okay to keep it raised for now. Find your balance and if possible, bring both your hands to your heart center. Now start moving along the ground to the right and bend your right knee to come into a full squat or malasana. Push both your knees out with your elbows and bring your hands to your heart center. Just take a few deep relaxing breaths here. Then start moving further towards the right to come into a half squat on the right side. Turn your body to the right to come into low lunge on the right side. Take a deep breath in and extend your arms up. As you exhale, come down. Straighten your right leg and bring your left leg in to come into Parsvottanasana. Adjust your left foot to point forward and come into triangle pose. Come all the way up Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, squat down into goddess pose. Come back up. Now bring your right foot in to get both your feet together into mountain pose and bring your hands to your heart center. As you inhale, bring your hands up. As you exhale, bend to the right. Slowly come back. Again, inhale up, and as you exhale, bend to the left. Slowly come back and bring your arms down. This was half a cycle of Chandra Namaskar where we moved from right to left, and now we'll move back from left to right. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right. Come back. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the left. Come back center. Take a big step to the right. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, come to goddess pose. Come back. Adjust your feet so that your right foot points to the right side. Inhale, extend right. Exhale, come to triangle pose. Bring your arms down and turn to the right to come to Parsvottanasana. Bend your right knee and come into low lunge. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, come down. Turn to the front to come into a half squat. Come to center into Malasana. Take a breath in and out here. Move to the left to come into a half squat. Turn to the left to come into a low lunge. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, come down. Straighten your left leg and come into Parsvottanasana. Come back up. Inhale, and as you exhale, come into triangle pose. Come all the way up. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, squat down to goddess pose. Come back up. Bring your left leg in to come into mountain pose. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the left. Come back. Inhale up. Exhale, bend to the right. Come back and slowly bring your arms down. So this was one whole cycle of Chandra Namaskar. I hope you enjoyed it and will practice it every day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.